Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your headphones Baseus Bowie H1 on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store and now go to the search at the right bottom. Then click at the search line at the top, but if you have iOS 26 at the bottom, and write Baseus. Now search, and you should install the application what's called Baseus. Now open it. Hello. You can sign in into your account or create a new one. At the right top you can select the region, but I'm going to sign in into a guest. So guest, enter guest mode, then add device and allow. And we did it! In the next video I will show you how to add these headphones to the application, so if you don't know how to do this, you can check that video. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!